Welcome. This screencast takes a look at polygons, what we mean by them, what are some of their names, things of that nature. A polygon, so what do we mean when we talk about polygons? These are simple closed curves with segments for sides. A polygon is a simple closed curve with segments for sides. So curve is pretty straightforward. Closed, less so, and simple, less so. Simple because it doesn't cross itself. We don't allow such things. We don't allow a polygon to intersect itself in the middle. Closed as opposed to open, right? And that means what you think it means. Closed means that if you follow around the outside of the figure, you can get all the way around the outside of the figure. The interior is trapped by the polygon itself. And all the sides are segments. Circles are not polygons. Semicircles are not polygons. Ellipses, ovals, they're not polygons. These things are polygons, right? These are the things you think of when you think of polygon. This is a triangle. It's got 3 sides. This is a quadrilateral. It's got 4 sides. This is a pentagon. It's got 5 sides. This is a hexagon. It's got 6 sides. This is a heptagon, or some people call it a septagon. It's got 7 sides. This thing is an octagon. It's got 8 sides. This is a nonagon. It's got 9 sides. This is a decagon. It's got 10 sides. And this is a dodecagon. It's got 12 sides. So all of them have gone. Well, many of them have gone. Gon is from a Greek word meaning side. And so it makes sense that penta means 5, hexa means 6, hepta means 7, octa means 8. Even though October is the 10th month of the year, on the Julian calendar, it was the 8th month. Remember, we put in July and August, and then everything pushed later, right? November is the 11th month, but it used to be the 9th. December used to be the 10th month, and now it's the 12th, right? So those prefixes don't go by months, go by what they actually meant in the Greek. I should also note that all of these polygons are what we call regular, and all the ones in this picture are regular. And what does that mean? Regular means that all the sides are congruent and all the angles are congruent. So each of these sides have the same length. Each of these angles has the same measure. Each of these sides has the same length. They're all congruent. Each of these interior angles has the same measure all the way around the perimeter of the polygon. So you do have to know the names. You have to know the names. If I ask you to draw a hexagon and you ask me how many sides that has, that conversation doesn't end well because I gotta say, no, you have to know that. I will also note these green angles that I've swoopied are interior angles, but we could just as easily make an exterior angle, and we make an exterior angle by extending one of the sides. This thing right here is an exterior angle. It's called an exterior angle because it's on the outside, and that just makes sense. The green swoopied angles are interior angles because they're on the inside of the polygon. All of that stuff makes sense. You will notice that the interior angles and exterior angles are supplementary. Their measures add to 180 degrees. Okay, so that is some of the vocabulary that goes with this part of our lesson. I'll focus on triangles and quadrilaterals in another video.